Todd Nepola alleges that he was defamed and that his name and likeness were used without authorization during the past 2 seasons of the Bravo series. Real Housewives of Miami star Alexia Nepola's ex-husband, Todd Nepola, is taking legal action against the Bravo series, per legal documents obtained by People. Alexia and Todd were together for 7 years. They got married in December 2021, and Todd filed for divorce in April 2024. Their divorce was finalized in March 2025. During the time between Todd's initial filing and the divorce being finalized, Alexia starred on RHOM, which chronicled her and Todd's on and off again relationship. On Tuesday, October 7, Todd filed a defamation lawsuit in the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of Florida against cable network Bravo, its parent company Universal Media and purveyors of pop. Todd, 52, alleges that he was defamed during the past 2 seasons of the Bravo series, and he is seeking over $10 million in damages. He claims the defamatory statements falsely portrayed him as financially irresponsible or suffering from financial distress, despite his multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio and long-standing business reputation. Todd also alleges that his name and likeness were featured on the show without his consent. He is seeking $1 million in damages on this second claim. He is requesting a jury trial. This lawsuit represents an opportunity for Todd Nepola to set the record straight and hold the defendants accountable for their intentional and reckless disregard for the truth, Todd's attorney, Scott Weiselberg, said in a statement obtained by People. Enough is enough. RHOM has continued to intentionally and maliciously air defamatory statements about Mr. Nepola, misuse his name and likeness, and damage his reputation in the Miami business community, the filing reads. Todd's filing alleges that he has suffered harm that goes beyond the show's initial broadcast and includes ongoing reputational injury, emotional distress, and economic harm caused by the widespread online amplification, a foreseeable consequence of the show's design and marketing. The filing also claims that RHOM crossed the line between entertainment and defamation, using manipulated storylines and unauthorized footage. The complaint also alleges that the defamatory portrayal of Todd is not confined to a single broadcast or episode, nor is the harm it causes limited to the initial airing. It is not a one-time event, it is active, ongoing, and constantly renewed by defendants' actions. This continuous and deliberate publication of false statements constitutes a pattern of injurious conduct, not a single incident, the filing says. Mr. Nepola wanted to be Alexia's husband, not her storyline, the suit said. Enough is enough. Todd threatened legal action against Bravo and the production team in an August 15 Instagram video. You're going to have to convince a real judge and a real jury if you had the right to use me on TV and lie about me on TV when you knew it was a lie, he said in the 10-minute clip. You've allowed gang-style pile-ons, physical violence, gaslighting, microaggressions, and racially charged comments to go unchecked, Todd alleged. You've enabled cruelty, encouraged hate, and turned mean-spiritedness into entertainment. This is what you promote. This is your brand. And if this is what you proudly do for a living, I hope your families are proud. Todd also addressed the production's depiction of him as a stepfather. The second you dared portray me as someone who doesn't care about my stepson, a young man living with a brain injury, you revealed who you really are, his caption read. Todd also claimed that he still pays their family's bills and always supported Frankie financially and emotionally during his years-long relationship with the RHOM star. Alexia has 2 sons, Peter, 33, and Frankie, 28, from her previous marriage to Pedro Rosello, whom she was married to from 1992 to 1996.